What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Today we got some comedy. We got some comedy. What they at, man? Hold on. Did I put them in the car? Did I put them in the car already? Yeah. So y'all see, I'm about to hop in RnB, man. It's a pretty day. And I need to get some TNT done too, cause I'm taking this nag to the track. This week, I'm taking this nag to the track. I'm taking that nag to the track. And I'm taking that nag to the track. All three of them. All three of them. I'm taking them to the track, man. At the same time. Because I got something playing. But I'm finna head down to Lawless to check on meats. And, boy, look what I got. Woo-hoo. Hey, I'm finna see if these boys ain't scared of these, man. Last time a little grain of the one tip curved the whole shop. Y'all didn't see that, though. I ain't put it up on no vlog. I got a little short reel. But the whole look, I had a speck left, had a chrome left for the one tip, man. It curved the whole shop. Curved the whole shop. Well, I take it back. CJ tried it. But these right here ain't hot as on them. But if you ain't seen the video, man, it's on Wifey channel. Either she gonna drop it today. But we did it and we collabed with my brother and my sister-in-law. So yeah, y'all gotta check that out, man. But let me see. It'd be fun I drove the BCG Pro mod, but I ain't putting no insurance on that thing. On that little egg, I'm gonna get this cold start. Well, it ain't even cold, man. It's so hot. I already crunk it up, so it ain't no cold start. But when that carburetor warm, boy, it just drop for the cheese, just like that. The car here sounds so good, man. The car cover keep it clean too. She's still clean. Sound like a throwing machine, man. But I'm gonna test and tune on the way. So if y'all see me throw that clip in there from the Dragon View, it's TNT. So we're probably gonna jump straight to the test and tune, cause I'm gonna show y'all that BCG Hangout folk, man. I gotta tell y'all what's going on. See y'all separate vlog right now too. So y'all just stay tuned. Alright, y'all, I'm checking in. So this time, man, I'm gonna try to get a little heat in the tire. I ain't never did that. Y'all know I usually just go dry. No burnout. I'm trying to do a quick little burnout, put a little heat in the tire this time. And then we're gonna see. I'm just kind of curious as to what it's gonna do. Cause it's super hot out here, man. Y'all know heat is, boy, heat killer blower, man. They already push hot air, so it's hot on top of that. Cause like I said, it's 85 degrees. Alright, let's put a little heat in the tire. Still got that little hesitation in the blower, man. I gotta find out what that is. Cause they're killing the ET. But shoot, man, I'm gonna turn y'all back on in a little bit. Y'all stay tuned. Y'all, we made it back, man. That was a nice little hit, man. I'm gonna tell y'all what. Hold on, man. Let me get y'all straight. I'm gonna tell y'all what. It went better than what I expected, especially with that heat the heat, but we got that little hesitation, man. That little hesitation, I don't know what it is. The hesitation killing me, man. It killing that takeoff. Either I'm gonna have to get some more RPM, see if I can get past that little hesitation, but we definitely gotta get past it. But we here. We finna see who brave, man, who ain't scared. So y'all stay tuned. All right, we checking in, y'all. So look, here go the plan. Talk to Jesse. He gonna pull the engine out, cause he wanna paint on the hood again, man. Cause let me show y'all, it is chipping. I know what he talking about. It's chipping and stuff. So he wanna make it look good. And you know, hey, I ain't tripping, man. Ain't nothing wrong with that. You know, he take pride in the work. So let me show y'all with it paint chipping. Ooh, it's so heavy, boy. I gotta get that hood off of there. I hate that hood, man. But y'all remember I painted it like a year and a half ago and see where that dirt, but it done bubbled up and stuff from being in the heat and the weather and all of that. So he gonna strip all of this off, and then he wanna paint, repaint off under the hood again and make it look good and stuff, you know. Probably take anything off under the hood that I ain't got to have, which it pretty much like that now. I got to get that. I keep forgetting, man. I'm finna put that in my note, get a new line lock, cause that one leaking. So I need to get that, man. But yeah, the engine gonna come back out, which ain't no problem right now, cause it just literally the engine ain't nothing in here. But I think he gonna test fit the headers first, cause we gotta make sure the headers work, which they supposed to. Cause 72 Chevelle, 69 and 72 Chevelle headers supposed to fit a box Chevy. So big block. So that's the plan. Still gotta put the intake gasket on, cause y'all know I never put that back. But that's the culprit. That's what we're leaking and mixing. That's why the oil and water mixing. Like I said, like Unc had said, he said probably just the intake. It was cause the intake bolt was out. I can't remember which one was out. I was gonna show y'all, but it was near the water jacket. So that'll cause water to seep down through the head and mix with the oil. Cause like I told y'all, that happened with Cheapskate before. The oil and water mixed from the first startup. I was like, wait a minute, man. We just went through all of this. We checked the bottom end, everything. We got new head gaskets on, and that's what it was, man, with the intake. So then, oh yeah, these valve covers coming off. So they'll probably be for sale, or I'll probably give them away, depending on who it is, of course. But y'all know I got new valve covers. It's set up for a vacuum pump, which I'm not gonna run a vacuum pump. I'm gonna run a evac system. So you know, we already got the catch can, but that's the plan. That's the update on everything. He gonna take this out, pull it out, strip it. He gonna strip all this paint off on here, get it real clean, and repaint on the hood, man, like they did RnB. Like they got RnB. Well, they did the block on RnB and stuff. They cleaned it up, freshened everything up, and we repainted the engine on RnB, make it look good. So that's the plan right there. So that's where we at. But he should have a video dropping on the channel soon with the headers in and stuff. So I'm looking forward to seeing that, man, cause I want to see what this bad boy gonna look with them big, pretty ceramic coated headers on here, them big 2-inch primaries. So y'all see that? I can't wait, man. I'm super excited for this car. I'm super excited for this car, man. I'm gonna get this. I got to get this hood off here, man. So it might have a different color hood for a little bit, cause this a lot of weight too. That joker heavy, man, cause the rivets, and I mean they're fiberglass, but the rivets, and like I said, I just don't like, man. I don't like how it looks. It's literally stuck down in the middle. And if I got to have a hood, a cowl hood, man, I'm gonna get it done and made right. Or what I'll probably do is run a bug catcher, cause that'll be the simplest. Just have the hood cut out and run a bug catcher. But can't wait, man. I don't know what the plan. I need to ask him. I'm gonna ask him so I can update y'all before I leave what the attack plan gonna be on the build. Like they trying to do the engine first or attack the chassis. Cause y'all know we got the rear end got to be redone, fuel system, all of that stuff got to be redone, man. And I'm gonna keep this joker just like this, wood grain steering wheel, everything. But said he gonna repaint it Cause like he wanted to look real neat. And man, that's why I tell y'all, man, Lawless good, cause they take pride in what they do, man. They work and stuff. They ain't sending out nothing out there half done or half assed. So, you know, y'all just stay tuned. Alright, y'all, finna make another hit. Let's see what it do. Dead spot. I tried to get more RPM to get past the dead spot, but I know it didn't lay nothing down ET wide, caused a whole lot of spinning. Whole lot of spinning. But man, we're gonna get back to the house. Turn y'all back on in a minute. Alright, y'all, look, I made it back. We finna, wife finna move the BCG Pro mod, y'all. Watch how long it's gonna take her. I told her to move it without having to move the Escalade. Cause it's an egg, it's small. Why did? Let's see how long.
It won't take long.
It's hot in there. You better roll that window down. That little car get hot, boy.
There will get hot.
You supposed to have them hot hands like me. I can grab and just, huh. See how long it's gonna take it, y'all. Then I'm finna cover that nag back up. After our test hits, I couldn't get nobody. Everybody at the shop was scared of the tip, y'all. They folded, man. They got scared of the tip again, the regular bag of tip, man. I'm gonna find somebody to do them, man. They got scared, but cause I ain't give y'all that entertainment, though. Let me see. Check it out, right there. See how long it's gonna take me. In the BCG Pro mod. Look at her. She the only one in the house that like their car, y'all. Everybody else, her and mother-in-law, they like their car. Their car, boy, that thing is ugly. Nothing. Let's see. Oh! She thought she was finna hit it. Hey, you better hit that. You better hit that Escalade before you hit that truck right there, though. You hit that Escalade before you hit that truck. You better hit that Escalade before you run into that truck right there. Look, check it out. Boy, she hit that truck, y'all. The whole video gonna be over with. The video gonna be done, boy. If she hit that truck, boy, the camera going off. Oh boy, that thing's so small. Let me see. She got that clown car. There's a clown car right there, boy. Oh boy. Look, she gonna bag up again. She ought to be able to get out. I told you. I told y'all she gonna bag up again. Look, let me zoom in on her. Look. Oh shit. Oh boy. Hey, you need to straighten up. You too close to that truck. You need to back up, straighten up. That junk crooked. You need to get back over this way. Nah, let me see. Yeah, nah. You can come over this way, son. Yeah, come over this way, Jesse. Look, she about to cut it. I'm gonna zoom in on you. I'm gonna zoom all the look. Oh shit. Oh, she ain't mess up that time. You look like you fit that car. You like one of them chicks in one of them old hood movies. hey, yo, look with your hairstyle. You like one of them chicks in the old hood movies. hey, y'all, wifey look like one of them chicks in the 90s hood movies. She looks so funny in that car. Oh shit! I got tears coming out my eye for real. No. Oh boy, that was the funniest scene to me.
No.
Man, I got tears coming up my eye, boy. I'm telling you, she do like one of them chicks in the hood movie, the 90s hood movie. This is 93 too. There's on one of the car that pull up at that man house and go showing out. oh shit, man. But look, I couldn't get nobody to do the hot tips, man. I couldn't, and they ain't even the hot tip channel. I couldn't. Hey, man, they curved again, man. CJ said, "Oh no, I ain't doing it." He said that one little piece messed me up the whole day. He said, then I got a piece stuck in my teeth, so every time I go like this, hot all over again. He said, hot all over again. He said, I ain't messing with him. So man, hey, look, I'm gonna get somebody. But little bro, hey, look, said just sent me a picture of that damn gummy bear.
I did.
Yeah, they got them. They ordered the gummy bear, the nitro gummy bear. They wanted to do it for wifey channel. I said, ain't nothing harder than that chip. Ever since we ate that chip, everything we done ate behind that ain't been nothing. For real, it ain't been nothing. Man, it nothing. It's nothing. Hey, where you going? You help me cover the Cutlass up. But hey, you can move the white car, huh? You need, look, she needs some water, boy. She ain't built. I'm like, I got that slave skin, man. Hey, I be out in the sun all day, boy. I be done cook. I don't come in till I be done down dehydrated, boy. It be over with. But yeah, I couldn't get nobody to eat the chip, man. They were gonna be the basis of my video today, boy. I was gonna trip out. I'll let y'all trip out. I still got a chance to trip out our wife. She's just fun to me, man. She be having me laugh. But yeah, we made some test hits. Now that joker, it's a little spot, man. Even when I got in the driveway and I was hitting it, it got some hesitation in it now, man. So I don't know if I need to clean the needle and see. I might. Or I just need to clean the carb or something, man. You know, cause it wasn't doing it, but it got a little hesitation, man, when you try to dead stump it. But I'm gonna fix it. Now when we did that second hit and I gave more RPM, it got past the little hiccup, but it was just spinning too much, man. Cause at the time, boy, it wasn't nothing to see, man. It wasn't nothing to see with the time, man. It just got on the tires too much. Which you probably can tell in the video too. But I mean, they're just part of TNT, man. They're part of TNT. So all in all, I probably won't drive no more this week, cause like I said, I got some big collabs and I want everything in pristine condition with all of them. I gotta call DJ and see when I can bring brown coat, cause I need it done. But if not, even if it ain't done, I'm gonna take it like it is, man. I'm gonna take it like it is. And we still gonna get the content, cause y'all gonna see why. You in the BCG Hangout, then you already know why. But yeah. Oh, y'all see too, look, I had a little target practice, boy. Them balloon, I hit all four of them at the same time with that Benelli. I got a little reel, man. I hit all of them with the Benelli, boy. The water tried to get up out of all of them. But yeah, man, they're gonna wrap it up for the day. So I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later, BCG. We out.